This is Cool Trains of Montreal, and I'm at Dorval with an Eastbound CN train here on Valentine's Day, 14th of February 2021. A nice sunny day, very little wind. Going to Northern. Oh, it's cool to see those old defunct railroads still in a train. Oh, Ontario Northland. Neat. Hardly ever see any Ontario Northland boxcars anymore. The low sun, this is really the best angle, so I'm not really going to look the other way and get the sun in the camera. Pointe St Charles, old CN affiliate. Used to be actually affiliated with Soo Line and CP Rail. CN absorbed that railroad back in 2001. But the boxcars remain, and they're in pretty good condition. Paint jobs don't seem to have rusted out or anything like some of the other ones have. And there's the end of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. Hey, look at that. There's a Via train that I came in and I didn't even see it. And it's just leaving now.